the perspective of mid-market is something that is very real. It's evident. I wish to invite Mr. Sabahat Kazi. Mr. Kazi is the founder and the managing director of Intellect Bizware. They have been a strategic partner to SAP for many, many years and have helped several companies go the cloud way over the past few years. Intellect Bizware has a very strategic business interest in this part of the state, which is Vidarbh. And they have been working with some of you in the room, and they would be talking more about their roadmap with technology.
We have already touched upon what is happening, what is the global Bharat movement. But what is important to understand is what is the goal? The goal is to become a leader, not just in the market, but also in the international market. And one of the objectives that the companies should espouse is to become an intelligent, sustainable enterprise. I was in Europe a month back, and the conversations there were less on the top line or the bottom line. The conversations were around the green line, meaning sustainable businesses. How we grow, how we are profitable, yet we do it in a very sustainable manner. So Intellect as an organization, we help companies become intelligent, sustainable enterprises. Yeah. So just wanted to introduce the organization. So Intellect was set up in 2007, almost 15, 16 years of journey. We have worked with more than 300 SAP customers of various sizes. A lot of them are mid-market customers, a lot of them are enterprise customers. But what we have done is we have helped them adopt best practices, for example, because that's one of the core things. If you're adopting best practices, then you know you can compete with the world. We have also done 80 plus S4HANA implementations. So the core, the digital core that is part of your intelligent enterprise is called S4HANA. And enabling this helps you set your basic core processes right. And there's obviously a lot of innovation that you need to do on top of it. The latest offering from SAP is the S4HANA public cloud. So we have done 4 implementations in that as well. One unique thing that we have is we have got a lot of accelerators. So whatever typical requirements a company would have or typical requirements that a particular industry would have, we have built them ready and they can be deployed on a project to make it easy for the customer to adopt. SAP has also qualified some of our solutions. So for example, if there is anyone here in this room who's not on SAP and wants to very quickly adopt SAP, there are package solutions available which has the best practices built in, and it's very easy. So the days of complexity when it used to take months and perhaps years also, those are gone. SAP is encouraging their partners to build a lot of innovative solutions. They are listing them on SAP Store, just like you have your app store on your mobile, you have thousands and thousands of apps which can download and start using. The direction in which SAP is going is if you have a digital core in place, you should one day be able to search for a solution and be able to download and perhaps deploy in your landscape and start using it. So we have 6 such solutions on the SAP App Store already. We are a gold partner of SAP. A lot of awards have come our way, including not just the awards in terms of doing the maximum sales in SAP, but also in terms of our projects. So last 3 years consistently, our projects have won the SAP ACE Award, which is the highest award from a delivery perspective. Our product range, primarily it's more to do with the ERP, but we also do a lot of work on the digital supply chain, on the human experience management, which is success factors. And we also do work around analytics and the innovation piece, which is at SAP BTP. When you adopt a solution like SAP, whatever cutting edge technology comes in, those are adopted by SAP first, and you can start deploying them and using them, unlike when you want to develop it yourself. We also help in terms of creating a roadmap for you. If you're in a specific industry and you want to, say you have a certain goal to reach 3 years down the line, we can help you from a IT system perspective as well. These are some of the verticals that we have worked with. A lot of our customers are from the manufacturing domain, so there's a lot of expertise in the manufacturing area. right from chemicals, industrial machinery, metals, life sciences, and so on. The other important vertical is retail and CPG, consumer goods, consumer durables, and so on. These are few of our customers across various verticals: chemical, life sciences, metals, industrial machinery, food, beverage, consumers, retail, even BFSI, and there are other industries as well. We are a leading award-winning SAP implementation partner in the SAP in the entire Asia Pacific, Japan region as well, and strong capabilities beyond ERP. So it's not the ERP itself, but we go much beyond that for enabling an intelligent, sustainable enterprise.